Primary 5, Chapter 5, Lesson 17. Student Book Story Problem, page 201 to 203. Exercise number 1. Abdullah buys the sturdiest boxes for the product at his market. He wonders what is the mass of the box is in kilograms. The total mass of 3 identical pomegranates is 1 and 300 kilograms. When the identical pomegranates in the box are tripled means doubled 3 times. The total mass is 2 and 2900 kilograms. What is the mass of Abdullah's empty box? First, we get the mass of the 6 pomegranates by subtracting the tripled box minus the 3 identical pomegranates. So 9 minus 3, 6, 2 minus 0, 2, 2 minus 1, 1. So the 6 identical pomegranates equal 1 and 2600 kilograms. If we want the mass of 3 identical pomegranates, we have to divide this 6 pomegranates divided by 2. So 1 and 2600 divided by 2, first table 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, so on. In the division, start from the left side. 1 divided 2 can be so small, so we have to get the 2 in the tenses. So the point will go up and we take the 12 tenses. The nearest number to it in the table, 12. So 120 hundredths, we'll take that divided by 2, 6 in the tenses place, because we use the 2 in the tenses place. Then subtract 6 minus 0, 6, and 12 minus 12, 0. 6 divided by 2. Yes, we have 6. So, take part. 6 divided by 2 in the 100 place equals 3. Then subtract 6 minus 6, 0. So, the mass of the 3 identical pomegranates is 6,300 kilograms. We want to know the mass of the box, an empty box. So, we will subtract the pomegranates in the box minus the 3 pomegranates without the box. 3 minus 3, 0. 0 minus 6 can't be, so it will be 10, and the 1 will be 0. 10 minus 6, 4, and 0 minus 0 equals 0. So the mass of the empty box is 4 tenths kilogram, or 40 hundredths. Exercise 2. Samira is training for her weightlifting competition. She attached 4 weights to her bar, a pair of large weights and a pair of smaller weights. One of the large weights is 12 and 4 tenths kilogram, heavier than one of the smaller weights. Together, the 4 weights have a mass 100 kilogram. What is the total mass of a pair of large weights? First, the mass of one large and one small weight. We have the 4 weights equals 100. So we multiply 100 divided 2 equals half the 100 equals 50 kilogram. It's the weight of one large and one small. The weight of 2 small weights. We know that one large and one small weighs 50 kilogram. If we subtract from 50, 12 and 4 tenths, the difference between the large and the small, we will take the increased part in the large away from the 50 kilogram and replace the bigger one into smaller one because we take the difference from the large one. So the mass of two small, 50 minus the difference between the large and the small, we take the increased part. We put first 0.0 to complete our subtraction. 0 from tenses minus 4 from tenses can be, so the 4 will be, 5 will be 4, and this 0 will be 9, and the 0 in the tenses will be 10. 10 minus 4 equals 6, 9 minus 2 equals 7, 4 minus 1 equals 3. So the two identical small weights equal 37 and 6 tenths kilogram. We want to know the mass of only one. We will divide it by 2. First, the multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Any division start with the left. 3 in tenths. We haven't got 3, the nearest number to 3 is 2. So 20 divided 2, take apart, divide, then minus. Take apart 20, divide 20 divided 2 equals in tens place 1, then subtract 6 minus 0, 6, 37 minus 20, 17. Another time, from the left side, take apart 17. We take all the 17. The nearest number to 17 is 16. 16 in the ones place, divided by 2 equals 8. Then subtract 6 minus 0, 6, and 17 minus 16, 1. Start again from the left. 1 is a small number, we can't find any part of it because it's smaller than the divisor 2. So we'll pop up our point and we will take the 16 tenths, not only 1, the 16 tenths. Find the number 16, yes, we have 16 tenths. In the tenths place, 16 divided 2 equals 8. Then subtract 0. So the weight of one small weight 18 and 8 tenths kilogram. We know that the heavier and the large weight bigger than or heavier than the small weight with 12 and 4 tenths kilogram. So the large weight equal 18 and 8 tenths plus 12 and 4 tenths. 8 plus 4 equals 12. 8 plus 2, 10 and 1, 11. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So the weight of the large weight 31 and 2 tenths kilogram. He wants to know the total mass of a pair, not one, pair of large weights. So the mass of two big weights, 32 and 2 tenths by 2. 2 by 2, 4. 2 by 1, 2. 2 by 3, 6. So the mass of two weights, 62 and 4 tenths kilogram. Exercise number 3. Basim is having a sale at his sweet shop. One chocolate candy is 1.95 LE. He will provide 2 free candies for every 10 bought. A customer wants to buy 100 candy for an event. How much will the customer spend? Okay, our offer, buy 10 and get 2 for free. So the price of one offer, the 1.95 by 10. Buy 10, get 2 free. So we'll buy 10. Each one 1.95 pound. By 10, we will move the point to the left one step. So 19 and 5 tenths LE for the 12 candies. 10 and get to 3. We could buy 100 candy if we take 8 offers, because 12 by 8 equal 96. So the nearest number to 100 candy is 96 candies. So we could have 8 offers and buy 96 candies. Okay, the price of 8 offers. The price of one offer is 19 and 5 tenths. So 19 and 5 tenths by 8. 8 by 5, 40. 0 carry 4. 8 by 9, 72 and 4, 76. 8 by 1, 8 and 7 equals 50. And the point after one decimal number. So the price is 156 LE for 96 candies, but the customer wants to buy 100. So the price of 4 extra candies. For extra, the one candy is 1 and 95 hundredths by 4. 4 by 5, 20, carry up 2. 4 by 9 equals 36 and 2, 38. 4 by 1, 4 and 3 equals 7. The point after two decimal numbers, so the 4 extra candies, 7 and 8 tenths LE. Now, the price of 100 candies, 96 and the 4 extra, 165 plus 7 and 8. 108 tenths is 163 and 8 tenths LE. Exercise 1. As a part of her fitness training, Samira cycles 42 and 1200 kilometers in 2 hours. If she cycles at the same rate that entire time, how far will she travel in 1 hour? Give your answer in kilometer and meter using a whole number. You want to fill the space in a whole number, not a decimal number. We know that she takes 42 and 1200 kilometers in 2 hours. So the distance in 1 hour, we will divide the distance divided by 2. So multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Any divide, we start from the left side. 40 or 4 tenths divided by 2. Yes, we have here 4. So 40 divided by 2 in the tenth place equals 2 tenths or 20. Then subtract, take apart, then divide, then minus. 42 and 1200 minus 40 equals 2 and 1200. 2 minus 0, 2, 1 minus 0, 1, and 2 minus 0, 2. 4 minus 4, nothing. Okay, start again from the left. 2 in ones place. Yes, we have here 2. So we take apart 2 ones divided by 2 in the ones place equals 1. Then subtract 2 minus 0, 2, and 1 minus 0, 1. So 12, the answer will be 1200. We'll put up the point and start dividing the decimal part. 1200. Yes, we have here 12. 12 in hundreds, we will take 12 and divide it by 2 equals 6 in the hundred place, because we take all the 12 hundreds. 12 divided 2 equals 6 in the hundred place. So we'll put 0 in the tenths place. We have to put a 0 in the tenths place because the answer in the hundred place is 6. 12 minus 12 equals 0. So the answer is 21 and 600 kilometers. We could cut 21 and 600 kilometers into 21 kilometers and 600 kilometers. 21 is a whole number, but 600 is a decimal number. So we convert from kilometer into meter, this decimal part. From kilometer to meter, we will multiply by 1000. 600 by 1000, the point will move to the right. 3 steps. 1, 2, and put another 0. It will be 60 meters. So the answer is 21 whole kilometer and 60 meters from the conversion. Exercise 2. Magdi is filling identical vases with water for flower arrangement or at the florist. He poured 18 liter and 250 milliliter equally into 24 vases. When he finished, Magdi still has 8,500 liters of water left. How much water in each vase? Give your answer in liter. The total amount of water, 18 liter plus 250 milliliter. We want our answer in liters, so we'll convert from milliliter into liter. So we'll divide it by 1000. Always the point in front of one's place, it will move by dividing 3 steps to the left. So the point will stand in front of 2, so the answer will be 2500 liters. Now 18 liter plus 2500 liter equals 18 and 2500 liter, the total amount of water. The amount of water that poured in the vase or the 24 vases. The total water minus the left water. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 2 minus 8 can't be. So the 8 will be 7 and the 12 will be 12. 12 minus 8 equals 4. 7 minus 0, 7, and the 1 get down. So the water was poured 17 and 40 hundredths or 17 and 4 tenths liter. To get the amount of water in each vase, we will divide it by 24. Now we will write in our draft table 24. 24 by 1, 24. 24 by 2, 48. By 3, 72. By 4, 96. By 5, 120. By 6, 144. By 7, 168. By 8, 192. Any division starts from the left side. Start with the whole part 17. It's small number, so we'll take the 4 in the 10th place and put up the point. Now 174 tenths. Look for the nearest number to 174 is 168. We take apart 168 divided by 24 equals, in the 10th place, equals 7. Then subtract 4 minus 8 can't be. We'll take 1 from the 7 will be 6 and the 4 will be 14. 14 minus 8 equals 6. 6 minus 6 is 0 and 1 minus 1 equals 0. 6 is too small for division by 24. We have here lots of 0. We could take 1 and put it down to 60. Now we have 60 in hundreds. 60 in hundreds. The nearest number to 60 is 48 hundredths. 48 divided by 24 equals 2. From our multiples, it's the second place. So we'll put 2 in the hundred place, then subtract. 60 minus 48, 0 minus 8 can be. It will be here 6, it will be 5, and the 1 besides the 0, it will be 10. 10 minus 8 equals 2, and 5 minus 4 equals 1. So the left with us is 12. If we divide it by 24, so small. So we have lots of zeros. We can take another 0, and we have now 120 thousandths. The nearest number to 120,000, yes, we have here 120, so we could take it or 120 in the thousandth place divided by 24 equals 5 in the thousandth place. 120 minus 120 equals 0. So in each vase, he poured 725,000 liters. Exercise 3. Omar had 30 kilograms of planting soil for his garden. He used 2 and 8 tenths kilogram in each of his 5 large plants. He used 4 tenths kilogram to fill each of the remaining pots. Find the maximum number of pots Homer can fill with his planting soil. Label your answer. First, the amount of soil for the large planters. 2 and 8 tenths by 5. 5 by 8 equals 40. Here carry 4. 5 by 2, 10 plus 4 equals 14. The point after one decimal number. So he used 14 kilograms for the 5 large pots or planters. The left soil for the small pots, 30 kilograms, the total that he have minus 14 he used the large planters equals 16 kilograms. 16 kilograms he divided by the small pots. So the maximum number of pots, 16 kilograms divided by 4 tenths kilogram. We can't put the divisor a decimal in the division. So we multiply by 10 in the dividend and divisor. The point will move to the right one step because we multiply by 10. So it will be 160 for 16 by 10 and the 4 it will move and 4 tenths it will be 4. So 160 divided by 4, 0, get down, and 16 divided 4 equals 4. So we could put a soil in 40 pots. Exercise 4. The mass of package of cookies of cake is 800 kilograms heavier than the mass of package of cookies. The mass of 6 packages of cake is the same as the mass of 9 packages of cookies. Label your answer. What is the mass of a single package of cookies and what is the mass of a single package of cake? We knew that 6 packages of cake equal 9 packages of cookies. So 1 package of cake equals 1.5 package of cookies. We could regroup the 9 packages of cookies into 6 groups. Each group will have 1.5 package. So the difference between the package of cake and the package of cookies, we knew that the difference between them is 800 kilograms. From our relationship, that 1 package of cake equals 1.5 package of cookies. So the difference between the 2 packages is this half package. So this half package is weighed, the difference 800 kilograms. That means 1 package of cake equals 3 halves package of cookies. 800 by 3. 3 by 8, 24, and the point after 2 decimal numbers. So the mass of 1 package of cake, 2400 kilograms. And we know that 1 package of cookies equals 2 halves of cookies. So 800 by 2, 2 by 8 equals 16, and the point after 2 decimal numbers, kilogram. So the mass of 1 package of cookies equals 1600 kilograms.